brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, I am presenting before you Luke chapter 2, verse 7. The last part of verse 7 reads like this: For they did not get room in the inn. This is the situation that Mary and Joseph faced when they came to Bethlehem. They came to Bethlehem in order to register their names. Joseph belongs to the region of Judea. So they are coming from Galilee to Judea to register their names. When they were in Bethlehem, Mary was about to give birth to her child. So they were trying to get a place in the inn, in the lodge. They knocked at the door of many inns, but no door was open. Finally, they are going to a hillside. They are going to a place, an isolated place, and they find a manger. There Mary is giving birth to Jesus. This is a miserable situation they were facing. They had gone to different places to get a place. They did not get. Maybe because they were very poor. They were not able to pay. Maybe because they did not understand the greatness of this family. They did not know that Mary was going to give birth to Jesus Christ, the Savior of the world. Finally, they come to the manger and they give birth to the child in the manger. This was what happened when Jesus was born. This is happening again and again, my dear brothers and sisters. Jesus is coming to our heart today. He is knocking at our heart. And if we listen to His voice, if we open our heart, He will come in. He will dine with us. And He will give His happiness, His peace to us. That's what we read in Revelation chapter 3, verse 20. I am knocking at the door. If anyone listens to my voice and opens the door, I will come in and dine with him and he with me. Dining is a symbol of participating in the joy. So if we open the door of our heart for Jesus, Jesus will come in and He will allow us to participate in the eternal joy. Are we ready for that? We are getting ready to celebrate Christmas, the birth of Jesus, and we have to open our heart for Jesus. If we open heart for Jesus, He will come again. He will be with us and He will give joy and peace to us. Let us prepare ourselves to celebrate a meaningful Christmas this year. May God bless you.